Yeah, we're all going to come out the same place.
Where are you going right now?
No, not right this second.
We have a...
Yeah, we're going to go to
Madeline, are you
where
going down here with Bailey?
we're standing up. We're going to go do whatever. Well,
I think that just disappeared.
yeah. That's okay. That's okay.
They're going to the way here. Is that
That's okay. Fine. They can do that.
Stay there.
One of them will have problems getting out of that.
That's what I was worried
He
about.
comes back and he's around. You want to go? Call down to the...
Well, there's one kid that
Autumn!
might go with hoist her up.
Yeah.
Madeline might go with hoist her
Are
up.
you going down the hole?
Autumn, you're gonna need
5 kids. 6 kids.
I can go down there and hoist her up. Okay. That's no problem.
I'll get out of your way.
And what are we doing? We're just going straight.
So you're standing up in a passage, make a right,
Oh, here's the days then.
and then just follow big passage. Until whenever you come to an intersection, follow whatever's the biggest.
We're all going this way, right?
Okay, you guys go that way.
The kids are coming back, right?
What? No, keep going.
Say that again, which way we're going?
Go on, yes. Make a right, over the rock, or under the rock. Big passage, don't climb up. It's just over the rock and down.
So we can stand up.
And you can stand up and you'll be in that room that had, the wishing well in. And then from there, it's just exiting out that way. You okay with that?
Yeah, I was trying to figure out how not to slide.
Yeah, that's tough.
Oh, you good?
Where'd they go? Are they still down there?
They're right here, yeah.
The little kids?
Oh, no, they're up.
Oh, they're out already.
Are you coming this way?
No, I'm going to catch up to them up here.
Okay.
You want to come up this way?
I think, okay.
Where does this go? Holy cow, this goes through, doesn't it? Yeah, it looks like it does. Either. No, you're not going up, climbing over or under.
Is that the way to go under?
Hi.
Is that the way to go under? Hold on, I'm coming. That way.
Okay. You guys are all right here?
Yep.
All right. And that passage just goes straight out to the room with the wishing well.
Which way has more space? You okay with
You really could easily climb up, but I'm not going to guarantee.
You alright?
You want me to get out in front and spot you? You okay? All right.
You alright, Ingrid? Just look for your footing.
No, it's okay. We're all good.
Don't trust myself. At all.
Just get out in front of you. You got it. You got it, girl. Yeah, you're right. It's going to be the hold on to it. Dig out. That's it. That's it. Perfect. Perfect. You got in front. Slide down like a sliding board. There we go. Okay. Get out of the way here. What's that? Hold on for a minute. Let me get up there. Okay, feet out in front. Sit down on this. With your feet out in front. That's it. You got this to hold on to. Feet out front. Come down here. Yeah, you can just come on down here. You can slide down, you can step down, whatever works best for you.
Or maneuver around, yep.
Yeah,
Have a good night.
very good. Like you know what you're doing. What? You're doing really good. You didn't cry once.
I don't know. I'm glad I did it.
If you can sit here with your feet out over here. That's the goal.
Amazing. I know. Yeah, how many times you're like, oh,
Very good.
oh gosh.
Now you got that and that to hold on to. And come down. You put your feet like here and then start stepping down. Here. Like steps.
I'm doing. You're gonna be sore tomorrow. I don't think you go to work.
You want me to write you a note?
Yeah, I need it. I'm a psychologist
Yeah,
already.
you should.
Overwhelming anxiety.
When I had a group of kids doing this with them, there's one girl, they almost called CYS. Because she gets so bruised up doing this.
Oh my God.
But she's like, no, we're pagan. Right. No, really, here's some pictures. You can
Oh
see.
my God. Well, it's our lifestyle. Ours always had bruises.
Yeah.
Our pediatrician is the child abuse pediatrician in our county. So I was like, she's like, normal.
Normal, yeah.
She could tell. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, well, that's all.
Yeah, it's all like, yeah. It's all.
All normal. All right, I'm going to go first
Alright, guys, make safe for
so
now.
that I can
I
spot.
want to try.
Spot down. I need to try to catch my breath here. I'm trying to think about it. I'm going to send them on a trip. Yeah. Hmm? I think so. I think that they can. Who was it that wanted to do just a little bit more?
Madeline, Otto.
Okay. You guys did the working well before,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Now, this is the instructions I'm going to give you. Listen carefully.
Yeah, are you doing this?
Okay? Because I'm going to trust you on this. Go back through the wishing well. Instead of making a right and going that way, you're going to make a left.
Wait, it's saying opposite.
Go in the opposite direction.
No, wait,
You were just saying that when you were pointing around.
Uh-huh.
And they're gonna go to the right.
To the right.
Okay, so
Gotcha.
you want them to go to the right.
Yeah, once they're out,
Yeah, so go out and go to the right.
go to the right.
Go out, go to the
And
right.
follow the path. Okay? Until you see my light. Okay? You'll see my light.
I'll go first.
Look, the entrance is that way, right? So we're gonna meet up with you guys, so that's how you know that you should go to the right.
I think you guys can do this.
I think we can as well.
Just take care of each other very carefully.
See how many we got?
Okay, which way are you going? Full speed.
Autumn, which way you going?
We're going that way. Put your arm out there.
Yes, good.
I trust you.
How old are you? 11. How old are you? 13. Okay. So they're older. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want.
I was just gonna say, so an 8-year-old, 11-year-old, and 13-year-old.
Even say
It sounds like the Steve's got this.
Yes, you're the adult right now,
Yeah.
so.
Alright.
She's highly responsible, as far as I know. Or just hiding it. She's responsible.
Because once I had 7 twin girls on it, they were 11 years old. Just tiny, they were only like this. So they were hilarious. They were sitting like laughing and telling stories and jokes the whole time.
Becca's 11. Yeah, 5'9".
My guys, they were only like 4.5 feet tall.
The autumn sister works in the class.
Yeah, I'm gonna go first, so I'm out front with, I can catch them on the way.
You go this way a little bit, so I need to get out of this opening for him to get into the opening. So step that way.
Just ooh, back a little bit more.
Go
Go right there. There
There
you
we
go.
go, there we go. Yeah. Okay, getting out of here is just the same as getting in. Okay.
Can I go?
Yes, if you think you can climb back out, go right ahead. Oh, they're ahead of us. Okay, guys, I see your light. Okay, you can come up. There's a couple of different ways to come up here. And you can choose. The hardest one? The first one, this one here. That one. You see my light? It's very difficult because there's no real footholds. Yeah. You have to help each other. Yeah. If you need help, I can swing around underneath you. There you go. This is not, I don't know. They're making it look too easy.
Small body called.
Yeah. But he's got a long leg. Huh?
Where did you come from?
We came from down there.
Okay. I'm not going
You got it?
You have to go ahead.
All right. You're doing good. Look at the teamwork. I love it. Read up high. Lift up. Turn yourself around a bit so your back is against that wall. And then you're facing the rock.
Put your back against the wall.
It looks so much tinier when you put it in.
You all right?
She's okay.
Okay.
You good?
Take it easy. If you're having problems, just let me know and I can help you. I want you now reach your right hand up and grab that. There you go. Like that. And then keep reaching up.
Guys, come this way a little and get them room coming out of that hole.
Very good, very good. Okay, just sit up here for a little bit and just pick a rock to sit on for a moment.
Who's coming next? Me.
Not too close to the edge.
You're gonna
Come
sit
here.
right here and wait.
Come on, back away from the edge. What happened?
I don't know.
You all right? Oh.
You go on him? I'm right under you.
Oh, go down a little more. Oh no, wait, you're fine. Come on up. You're small enough to do that. Awesome. Okay. Autumn, come up here. Come up here real quick, just till we're ready to go down. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. We got them out.
Wow, did you get help? Did you get a pull out?
They help each other.
Oh, you girls are incredible.
They are.
Are you strapped to back on it?
On a rock.
Oh,
I started.
That
I love
happens.
this
I feel like
teamwork.
it's not a
You guys are
game if you
amazing.
don't come out with at least one bruise.
Yeah,
I
I love this teamwork. I am impressed.
Tomorrow I'm black and blue.
My foot's a little sore, but that's
It's all fighting.
Hey, what hole did you just come out of?
You can take a quick look. Okay, don't go too far down there, okay?
Did you come out of the hole?
No, I don't know around this.
She went through here. She has trouble breathing.
Oh, but there was another way.
Yeah, that was great. Okay, now you guys remember want to remind you, as we're going out on this spot, you guys going down this, but when you get outside, don't take off.
Wait on him.
We got to do a mighty picture, okay? Remember where you were standing, so that when you're standing next to each other,
You want to make a barricade or what?
She's like,
But Mal, your whole headlamp is black.
no, you're fine. I don't mind holding it. I just hope it's really good.
hey, you understand? There's a granddaughter, 1 year younger.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Bring her.
I'm going to. My the older grandchildren promised that they would help.
Oh,
They're-
fun.
They just do
She'll
it.
come on that one.
Yeah.
Easier to remember is
All right, here we go. So remember where you were standing. So we got get certain pictures when you guys get out. You'll get out before me.
Are we doing where they just did?
No, nah. We're going down this way. We're going to come down the crack. Take your time. Take your time. It's real slippery. And you're going to go down the sliding board. Okay.
Yeah, I probably could.
All right. Who's coming on down here? You ready to jump? I'll catch you. No, I'm not going to do that. Come here. Don't do that. Over here. Sit down. And hold on to that. And sit down. Bring your feet out here. Just like a sliding board. You know what a sliding board is, right? Okay. You just slide on down. And I've got you. And it's nice and easy, right? There you go. You got it. Awesome. Now, how did you get out? You're paying attention.